Hey nail sisters, welcome or welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to do an easy nail art design. This inspiration was supposed to be more of a fall look where I use only fall colors. So I'm starting here out with this white D&D Snow White polish color. And what I'm doing here is putting down a base color first on all of the nails. And I'm just putting them randomly. I feel like this design is a quick art for when you don't know what to put on your nails. So if you search up minimalist or boho nail art, I feel like it's one of the simple designs that you can learn how to do nail art on the nails where it still looks really nice. So even if you are someone, where you're like, I don't even know how to draw on the nail, or I don't even know how to do nail art, I feel like, this is a good design to start out with. Where even if you don't have skills or experience, I feel like this will lead you into knowing how to draw onto the nails. So again, just search up the minimalist or boho nail art. And here what I'm doing is making sure to do some random strokes with the brush in the polish. So I really want this design to look uneven and not symmetrical. So that's why I say this design is really good for beginners that are starting out with nail art, because you don't even, you don't have to be perfect. Everything doesn't have to line up. You can just put things in random places. So here I'm using, this is a custom mixed polish. I'm trying to start getting into making my own polish, and even later on try to make some for people who can't even find the polish for them. So what I made the mistake of, do you see that green polish? Like, I made the mistake of, when I was mixing the color, I made a mistake and put too much white in it. So remember I told you in one of my videos with the nude polish videos that if anything has too much white in it, or just white in general, it's going to make the color stand out more and more brighter. So that's what happened here. And I should have added more of a brown red to deepen it, because I wanted it to be an olive color. So here what I'm doing is I'm going in and putting some leaves. Now, these leaves, I feel like, they not these leaves, we're gonna say these are the 99-cent leaves when you get them on sale, and then they start drooping down. So that's what we're gonna say that's what this is. Sometimes my leaves they can look like, we bought them for about $160, but the main thing here is to have stabilize your pinky. So you see how I'm stabilizing my pinky, so that way I'm not shaking. And I don't know, but for some reason when I'm doing nail art or drawing, I tend to hold my breath so that I'm not shaking when I'm drawing nail art. I think that really helps me, because any little movement, it just causes the design to mess up and not come out how I want it to. What I can give out is, if you're trying to get into nail art, is to definitely find a nail art brush that you are comfortable with using. So, you have to make sure that you are comfortable with holding that brush. You know how that brush actually works. So I will leave some recommendations down below. I am using one by D&D, but I love some that are by Makartt, so I'll leave them in the description. Now I'm going in and I'm doing a design that's kind of going slanted. And then I forgot to mention, but the other colors I just put, in random places, almost like they're splattered. The orange color is by Nail Reserve, and that one is called Pumpkin Spice. For this part, I'm going to let you all finish watching and I'll come back. I wanted to take this time to say thank you for the people that are subscribing and not just watching the videos. So thank you so much for that. That really means a lot to me. Also, I wanted to mention this. I see that we have some new subscribers. Hey, girl. Hey. So I'm also loving the feedback that you all are giving me. Even if you comment like what you like to use, or if you have any questions, keep them coming. We're all about positive vibes over here. And as the saying goes, if you don't have anything nice to say, then keep it moving. And I always reply back to everyone. So even if I don't respond right then and there, I'll still make sure to respond back to you. Throughout the video, you probably see me keep moving that brush. And the reason why I'm doing that is because you know, one thing's for sure and two things for certain. You want to make sure that you are holding that brush real tight. Like you really want to suffocate that brush so that you can have a good grip on it. So that's why, you know, I keep turning that brush. And then depending on the angle that you're doing, you have to kind of turn the brush in the direction that you're trying to go as well. So now I'm going in with my dotting tool and just putting random dots in random areas. Again, like I mentioned, the key is to not overthink or make the lines perfect, or even the brush strokes perfect. So the more natural and random, the better. And even if you don't know how to draw with the nail art brush, you can always use your dotting tool as, you know, a tool as well to draw. When I first was learning how to draw onto the nails, that is how I learned. I was using my dotting tool for everything, like even to draw a line, to put some random dots, you know. So, you know, don't sleep on the dotting tool. You can always use that as well. Quick thing I wanted to mention before the video ends is that I plan to do a series for my nude polish videos. You all seem to really be liking those, so stay tuned for that as well. Now I'm going in with this gold flakes, and I believe I got these from either, I want to say, AliExpress or Daily Charm. You can also buy them off of Amazon. And a lot of the nail art things, I feel like you really can save a lot of money and buy them from your art and craft stores. So here where I'm at, we have a place called Michael's, Joann's. So places like those, you can just, you know, buy them much cheaper, and they come in a bigger bulk than buying them in a little small plastic bag or container. And I'm just putting these in random areas as well. So this is how they are starting to look, and it's starting to really come together. And now I'm going in with this top coat. This is by Novelty. And I don't know, but it's something about like once you put that top coat on some nails after you done did everything, you know, you put your blood, sweat, and tears into the nails and you put the top coat. Oh my goodness. It's something about the top coat. I don't know what it is, but it's like it's icing on the cake. It just brings the whole look together. And y'all let me know down in the comments, like, do you think that these nails will look good with either top coat or matte top coat? And before somebody come in my comments, I'm gonna go ahead and say it. So I'm aware that my nails don't look prepped, and some videos I'll come on here with my nails already prepped, and sometimes I won't. So before anyone come in the comments saying these nails don't even look blended, I already know the reason why, because it takes a lot of time to edit these videos. And I just feel like I'm making a whole movie, y'all. Like, I'm making my own movie production. I'm the editing, the filmmaker, the photographer, all that. So to cut down on the time, because this video would be an hour alone if I had to prep as well. So I just wanted to come on here, pop on these nails and show the nail art, and then just take them right off when I'm done, you know. So I just wanted to put that out there. I also plan to even make a separate video about how I prep my nails for them to last a long time. So long as you prep beforehand, that's really all that matters. You know, don't do like me, because you'll wake up with the nails popped off. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure to like the video, and I'll see you all in my next video.